Now, in this video, we will going to take a problem on development of lateral surfaces of solids. How to solve this problem by using the Solidate software. The problem reads as a square prism of base side 30 mm, axis length 60 mm is resting on HP on its base with all the vertical faces being equally inclined to VP. It is cut by an inclined plane 60 degrees to HP and perpendicular to VP and is passing through a point on the axis at a distance 50 mm from the base. Draw the development of the lower portion of the prism. To do this, first we'll go for the Solidate screen. So this is the default screen of the Solidate wherein the sheet has been set for A2. So I will just go to change the sheet to A4. To do that, take the cursor to the lower left corner on the sheet 1, right click on sheet setup, and in the background sheet you set it as A4 and you want to show the background. No, you just say OK. Now the sheet will going to shrink from A2 to A4. Now but the display is set only for A2. Now I need to change the display. For that, to fit it to A4, you just click on fit. So the sheet will going to be enlarged to A4. Now the display is here. Now first I need to write the text. So to do that, I will go for text option. So take the Times New Roman. So here you can say Times New Roman and you take the font size as 4, enter. Now you click and you come down to this, a square prism of base side. A square prism of base side 30 mm, axis length 60 mm, axis length 60 mm is resting on HP, on its base with all the vertical faces being equally inclined to VP. It is cut by an inclined plane. 60 degrees by holding the odd key type 0176, 60 degrees to HP and perpendicular to VP and is passing through a point on the axis at a distance 50 mm from the base. Draw the development of the lower portion of the prism. Right click. Once you do that, now you come down to sketch, click on move, select this and you place it wherever you want. Okay. Now you come down to zoom window. So now I need to write the initial position. So to do that, first I will go for a line command and take the line width as 0.05. So here enable endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical, and all other options in the IntelliSketch will make it disabled. You take first the horizontal position, take what is the size 30 mm, so square 30, angle is 0, then you take 30, angle is 90, then you take 30, angle is 180, then you take 30, the angle is 270. Now once you do that, now you go to select this entire thing and make it 0.5, then you go to group, make the data set group. Now you go to line command, draw a line from end point of this to end point of this, that is the diagonal between these two. Once you do that, now you go to group, select this entire thing and make it as a group. Now you go to rotate, disable copy, select this, take the endpoint of this to endpoint of this. What is the rotation angle? 45. Okay, click. Now you have the initial position of the square prism in the top view. So now you go to move and place it wherever you want. Then go to line, draw one horizontal line of any length. Okay, so what is the distance? 60 mm. So offset, take 60. You take this line and offset it. Then go to line, take endpoint and draw a vertical line. Similarly from here, take endpoint, and here also from here you take endpoint and draw a vertical line. Now you go to trim this entire thing. Then you go to trim this horizontal, then again this and again this. Now you go to split. Take the split command and split it till here. Then go to split here and take this intersection point. Similarly, you take split and you make this intersection. Once you do that, then he says a section plane, it is cut by a section plane. So before that, first I will going to name them. How to do that? So I will go for text and here take the font size as 3. Now here you mark this as small a, b, c, d. Then you have p in cap, small p. Then you have small q. Then you have small r. Then you have small s. Then you have o. Then you have O1 in bracket. This is the top view. Now you mark capital X. In this case you have VP and here you mark HP. Now you go to line command, draw a line from here of any arbitrary length. So go to zoom window. Okay. Then go to move, disable copy. You select this and you move it here. X, take VP and from here you take HP. Okay. Then you take A. Then you have B. Then you have C. Then you have D, that is the top surface. Then you have O. Okay. Then take P. Then Q. Then R. Then S now. Similarly O1 on this side. Okay. Now once you do that, now we have the rest of the things from the front view. Now I need to go for A text, mark this as A dash, put the caps lock of A dash, then B dash, then C dash, then here you have D dash in bracket, then you have O dash in bracket now. Once you do that, now you come down to the bottom surface, P dash, then you have Q dash, then you have R dash, then you have S dash in bracket, then you have O dash, O1 dash in bracket. Okay, right click, then go to fit, then go to zoom area. Now you take this, go to move, take A dash, then B dash, then D dash here. Okay, then O dash, then here you take C dash. Similarly, come down to the bottom surface, go to move, take P dash, then Q dash, then S dash, then O1 dash, then R dash now. Okay, now you go to fit, So from here, a section plane, it is cut by an inclined plane 60 degrees to HP and perpendicular to P and is passing through a point on the axis at a distance of 50 mm from the base. Which is the axis? Axis is O dash and O1 dash, and this is the base. From the base is by 50 mm. So you go to offset, take the distance as 50. Since it is single, so from here you offset to the top by 50 mm. On this axis, you draw a line. I will take line, I will take intersection, I will take some distance. I will say about 30 angle 60 degrees with reference to the horizontal. Okay. Now, once you do that, now you have the extension. So go to extend, to next, select this and you select this. Once you do that, so you have the section plane which is cutting here. So you go to this and you delete it. It's not required. Then come down to zoom window. Okay. Here you go to split this line till here. So you delete this. Okay. Now you come down to split again. Split this line till here. Then you go to select this. Okay. And make it 2 mm. And you make this as 2. Enter. Okay. So you select this and you check it is 2 mm. Okay. Now you come down to fit, come down to zoom window, come down to this side, go to split this till here and go to delete. Okay. Then you go to split again, split this line till here and then go to select and make this as 2 mm. Type 2, enter. Okay. Now I want to make this as a section plane line. So how to do that? So you go to select this line, come down to this and then you take the section plane with big dash and small dash like this. Okay. Now we need to develop the lower portion. So go to split this line till here. Okay. Then you go to split till here. Then you go to split still here. Now you go to select by holding the shift key. You select all these three and this line and this line and you make that it as 0.5. Okay. Once you do that, now it is drawn with the fit. Then you go to zoom area. So now I need to do the development without considering the section plane. So you just go to line and draw a horizontal line of any length. Similarly from here you draw a line of any length. Okay. Now you go to split this line till here. Okay. Then you split this line till here. Then go to select this center portion and you remove it. And you go to text and make this text as capital Y. Okay. Then go to move, disable copy. You select some arbitrary point and draw this. Now here everything is in true length. So which has been already explained in our video of analysis. So now I will go for the text. Now I want to go for the dimensioning style variables. So come down to sketch. So here in this case you come down to style, ISO, modify, you take general, take black because your printout will be in black color. Okay. Then you go to text, take the text as Times New Roman. Okay. Font size as 3. Then go to lines and coordinates, make it 0.1. Okay. Then you say apply. Now you go to distance between this line and this line. So you take by 2 points. Then you come down to this. You come down to square. Okay. And take square of 30. Okay. Then again you go to fit. then you come down to this line. Okay, so here you go to distance between, come down to this, clear everything and say OK. Then you go to distance between, select between these two, so you're going to get 60. Okay, then you go to distance between till here and to this point, which is 50 mm. So once you do that, you come down to fit. Now we want to do the development. How to do the development? You just go to line command, draw one vertical line of any length, and you go to trim corner between these two. Then go to trim and trim this portion. Now, so without considering the sectional plane, I want to do this now. So you go to offset, take the distance as 30 because A to B I want to open. So right click, take 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then go to trim. Okay, now you come down to text, take the font size as 3, yes, put the caps lock on, type capital, put the caps lock on, type A, then B, then C, then D, similarly A, then P, Q, R, S, P. Okay, your starting should be AP and ending should be AP, then only your development is right, otherwise there is something wrong. Now you go to move, select A and move it appropriately, then go to P, then come down to Q, then B, then C, then R, then D, then S, then A, similarly from P. So once you do this, now I need to name them, the sectional point. This is the development without considering the section. So go to text, here you type caps lock of 1 dash, then you come down to 2 dash, this is 3 dash, okay, then again you have 4 dash in bracket, then you have 5 dash in bracket, okay, of course this is 1 dash. Now you come down to zoom window, okay, go to move, disable copy, select this 1 dash, so then you take 2 dash, then you have 5 dash, then you have 3 dash, then you have 4 dash. Now we want to start creating the drawing. So how to do that? So to do that, I will go to line command, draw a line from end point of this till here, go to trim, okay. So again you take line, take end point till this and go to trim, okay. Now I want 3 and 4. So to do that, I will just go to line command, draw a line from end point and take it to the top view and go to trim. So you measure between here to here. So go to distance between, take end point to this end point, which will be 21.84. Similarly, from end point of this to intersection of this, it will be also equal to 21.84, and you mark this point as 3, then you will have 4 here, okay. Then go to move, disable copy, you select this and you keep it here, and then you select this between these two. So once you do that, now we want to transfer 3 and 4. How to do that? So go to offset, take the distance as 21.84, okay, from C towards B, similarly from C towards D, okay. Then come down to these two. So here you want to name them. How to name them? Go to text, here you take 1, then you have 2, then you have 3, then you have 4, then you have 5, then you have 1. Okay, then go to fit, zoom window. Now we want to split these things. Go to split this line till here, then you split this line till here. Then you go to line, draw a line from intersection to this intersection to this endpoint. Similarly, from endpoint of this to endpoint of this to endpoint of this. Then you go to move, take 1, from here you take 2, from here you take 3, then you have 4. Okay, this is a mistake here. Okay, you go to line, take endpoint to this endpoint. Okay, then you have a split, so this is over. Now you go to auto split this line till here, then split this line till here, then split this line till here, then you split this line till here, then you split this. Of course it's over. Now I need to dot them. So go to shift, select all the numbers first, okay, and make this dark 0.5. Okay, now again you select this, select this, select this, then you select this, and you select this, and select this. You make these things as 0.5. Okay, then you write, this is the text what I need to write. So go to this, and here you type, put the caps lock on, type the development. Okay, then go to move, disable copy, you select this and place it wherever you want. Then you go to distance between, okay, select this line and select this line, and you make it 30. Then you again go to move, keep it here, then you take Q, keep it outside. Okay, then go to fit, then go to zoom window, then go to distance between this line and this line, which is 120. Then go to distance between from C towards this, which is 21.84. Similarly from here to here, which is again it is 21.84. Here the accuracy of the drawing what you can get is up to the second decimal point, because I have set in units till to the second decimal point I want the accuracy. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing on the solid edge on square prism of 30 mm side and 60 mm height, having a section plane inclined at 60 degrees to HP and perpendicularity, and is passing through a point at a distance of 50 mm from the base. So this is how on the axis. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using the solid edge software. Thank you.